If you have lower back pain, don't stretch your back. Instead, stretch the muscles around it that may be causing the pain. Here are 4 stretches that you can do in less than 4 minutes. The first one is your hip flexor stretch. So they're going to be pulling on the front of your spine. So you just come down into a lunge position, bum to bum, hop your hips forward, and you should feel it down the front here. The second one is your hamstring stretch. So they're going to be pulling down your pelvis. So we're just going to come onto the ground and stretch forward into a hamstring stretch. So we're not going to miss our glutes either. So the third one is our glute stretch. They can cause pain coming up into the lower back. So we're going to lay down, cross our leg, and just lift up. The final one, we're going to decrease the amount of movement our lower back has to do by increasing the movement in our upper back. So we're just going to come straight onto our front and just lift up, focusing on that upper back. If you find this helpful, share it to your friends. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist, and I'll see you on the next one.